I have yet to do a football break, so let's crack open a fat pack of 2022 Donruss football. And let's see what we can dig up. The great Kurt Warner. Buda Baker. A.J. Brown. Eli Mitchell. Roquan Smith. Nico Collins. Aaron Rodgers. DeForest Buckner. Jonathan Allen. Devin McCourty. Jamar Chase. Zeke, still on the market. Gabe Davis. Jalen Reagor. Patrick Queen. Tim Patrick. Minka Fitzpatrick. All right, 3 variations of Patrick. Juan Thornhill. Sam Darnold, now with San Fran. Gerald Everett. Derek Carr. Jerry Tillery. Trent McDuffie. Aiden Hutchinson. David Ojabu. Oh, what do we have here? We have Action All-Pros. A.D. Aaron Donald. All right. A.J. Dillon. Trayvon Diggs. Drake Jackson. And Trey Hendrickson. All right. I have yet to pull a downtown, but I got 2 other packs. Maybe a downtown is hidden amongst them. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your night.